As a pen tool, we have a pencil tool. The shortcut is N. If you hide N in your keyboard, you have a pencil tool. So you can hold your click and draw something like that. Okay, and you can edit like that, like that. Okay, sometimes you can miss and go an error and by do a bad line. You can return on your line and redraw it, okay, to get the best design like that. Okay, it's very nice. So I can draw it like that, like that. If the line is too big, you can decrease a little bit. Okay, okay, to be honest, it's nice to use a pen tool to go fastly. Okay, but with a pencil tool you can also draw it like that. Okay, and you can use both. When I want to do a line or a straight line here, if I do one click, I can hold shift and click this line, but it isn't very good. I can go there and place it nicely. Rip. When you redraw on the same line, you'll get a best line like that, and you can close it. Okay, it is a very hard to use a pencil tool, and if you do a click, you have no, if you hold your click, you have a smooth tool here. We can help you to smooth when you do like that, to smooth a line. Okay, when your line isn't very smooth. Okay, fine. Okay, we'll use pencil tool again. Hide N in your keyboard and drag it like that. Okay, okay, very nice. Pencil is good when you use a tablet, but many people has a computer and they use a mouse. Okay, not bad. Very good. When you want to drag your hardboard, you hold space, and with your mouse you can move your hardboard. Here I must drag it like that. I have configured in smooth. We see what I have configured it in smooth. It's because I get a smooth line when I draw like that. Okay, I can draw it like that. If it is good, I can return and redraw. Let me draw it like that. Okay, don't try to be very perfect when you do the practice, because in this project we'll do many other practice about those. Okay, fine. This is good. So the same for all of them. I can use the pen tool again to create. I can use both a pen tool and pencil tool together. Okay, if I want to use a pencil tool, I can hide N and draw with pencil tool like that, and hide P to continue with my pen tool. If your line is deselect, you can go in the last anchor point and use your pen tool to continue. Okay, also with your pencil tool. If it's deselect, you can't use your pencil tool. You can hold option or alt option, or you can hold control or command or control to do one click, and with your pencil tool you can continue your drawing. Okay, like that. Okay, okay, nice. Okay, okay, fine. With pen tool, when we draw with pen tool, we do one click, and we can use option or alt to control or alt to move the anchor point. But when we use pencil tool, you have to return on the line to get a baseline. Okay, cool. Okay, with the accession tool, you can move all anchor point where you want. Okay, this is the practice, so you can go and practice yourself with pencil tool or pen tool. Even if you use pencil tool, it's good. If you think you have a good practice with pencil tool, you can also use pen tool. You have the same result, the same drawing. Okay, so do the practice, create those free. After that, go to the next video to practice with a brush tool.